Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an Apple ID signed in on your device, Wi-Fi connected, and the Apple TV app installed. Open the app now, because the first actionable step is to access Watch Now or Library. Once done, scan the top row for recommendations or tap Search to find a title. Make sure to allow any permission prompts. They let the app fetch your purchases and preferences. This streamlines later steps and prevents account or playback interruptions. You now sign into your Apple ID inside the app so purchases and subscriptions sync. After signing in, link third-party channels and Apple TV Plus by adding them under Channels. This aggregates content in one place. Once linked, the app indexes shows and syncs play progress across devices, which saves your spot. Make sure to check payment and trial settings to avoid unexpected charges. Finally, enable family sharing if you want to share subscriptions with family members. This centralizes billing and access. You finish by playing selected content and customizing playback. Choose subtitles, audio tracks, and quality settings like 4K or HDR if available. Once playing, add shows to up next or download for offline viewing. This organizes and preserves your place. If playback stutters, make sure to restart the app and device, sign out and back into your Apple ID, and verify Wi-Fi strength. As a key troubleshooting tip, update the device OS. Many playback bugs are resolved by system updates, so always check for the latest version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.